11 versus Misbah United. Win to play condition. First over to ball about this new player here. Promised to be a high scoring game today. Beautifully ball. क्या ना बोले यार. A wide, a swing is happening. A bad, good sign is there with one ball. Nicely, beautifully pulled away again. It's a short ball. It's 6. Back to back 6. It's pulled. That's beautiful. 21 on 4 ball. It's a wide. It's a wide. It's no one there. It's on the suddenly the fielder is found. It's 4 runs. 25 of 5 balls. 25 of 5 balls of the first over. Inside edge of the bat. Let's play. First over. 26 runs coming in the first over right here. That's a beautiful shot. That's 6 here. That's beautiful. That's much better. High onto the sky over the top of the tree. What is doing? 38 run is the total. It's a miscue. It's miscue. It's coming. It's coming. Should be the moment. It's great catch under pressure. He got his man. Finally, one recognized batter is gone. 38 for 1.3 overs right now. That means a lot of damage done here on just start of 9 deliveries. His man promoting up in the order. No doubt that would hurt him sitting the bench for the last 3 weeks or so. Getting a wonderful chance to prove himself ready for the game, but it's not happening yet. Just like that, it's a mistake. He has looking chance of a run out. 6 of the first 39 for 1 last ball of the second deliveries. That means how difficult it is. It is 40 for 1 after 2. 20 is the runner with 3 for 1 after 2 overs. SOY, sign of aggression. Yeah. 43 for 1, 2.1 overs. Batting first after winning the toss. SOY, the fielder. He's on the call. He's on the call. Just one though. 4 runs coming on 2 balls. Third over. That's a beautifully ball. That's the ball to ball in the good area. That's shot. Nicely played over the fielder. Just one bounce for 4. 4. It's away. He's dropped something there. Fielder is far away from that. 50 is the total coming up. 50 for 1 last ball of the third over. वाके दो बना. बस सही है एक ही है. 51 3 ओवर 51 यार 17 की एवरेज. ओवर. Coming in that way. 51 for 1 after 3 overs. That means they're suddenly controlling the game. 11 of the over for the first time in the game. The bowler coming back into the attack. Just 14 conceded. They're far away from that play. मुझे भी clean लगा था. मैं वीडियो चेक कराऊंगा आपको. Cut away. Beautiful cut on the back foot. 2 runs getting. 3 runs coming on 3 balls. Nicely. Just missed time that all right. It's got it and he dropped it. Pressure of high. Just 4 runs on the 4 balls. Beautifully. Bowling as amazingly ball. That's beauty. For just 4 runs and a wicket of the over. That's nicely swept away. Beautiful. Fielder found in the deep. 5 of the over with a wicket. 5 of the over. 56 is the total after 4. 56 for 2 after 4 over. 1 last over remaining in the first half of that play. He changed their bowler. They changed immediately. Low full toss. That's swept away. That's fielder. And 4. Fielder call. 60 runs is the total. Another swept. That's a hard ball type of shot. That's fielder found at 4 runs. 2 balls, 2 boundaries. That's another one. That's another one. For another one. And it's coming. 10 of the 3 balls. That's the way to do it. 66 is the total. 3 balls to come. Avoid it. Oh, nicely balled. Inside edge. What game awareness drop? 67 is the total last ball of the 5th over. Inside edge. What is game awareness? What is game awareness? Can it be the 70 is the target? Can it be 70? We're seeing that a ball ago. We're seeing that a ball ago. Now where game awareness? Where the game? एक कम 70 करना है यार 5 में. Where is the game awareness? He's just worried for something. What is going on, Pakistan? 69 to get on the pedal. They have to register the first win in the first game. It will be a good opportunity for both of them. It's always coming.
आपका नाम क्या है भाई?
Azan to face the first ball, and his partner Kaisar looking to start well. That's a good ball, really good ball. First ball is the dot one and straight down the ground. Just over and six. S6, much needed. That's in the air. Someone underneath, the bowler himself. And he taken the blinder. My goodness. One for the hour and he getting the great catch. After 5 years, he found himself in the cricket. 6 for 1 after 3 balls. 3 balls. 6 for, that's a beautiful ball. Asking the question straight away, the new batsman. He'll be worried what he did, just not getting the bat on the ball first up. बेटा हम खुद लेके आए किसी का. S balls him 2 wickets of the over. 6 for 2, 5 balls. Suddenly tightening up the grip here in the biggest occasion. Usman is starting up. He suddenly found himself confidently with the ball here today. G11 Islamabad को बुला लाओ पहले. Just over. A courageous stroke to get himself off the mark. It's coming. It's looking up. It's looking at scream. Just scream. 7 for 2. 7 for 2. 2 wickets off the over. Second over to start. That's a great shot. That's my goodness. It's a great shot. Nothing wrong with that footwork, balance. Everything was perfect about that shot. Straight down the ground. Much needed. Total. Clearing the front leg. And nobody there is 4. It's a huge shot. Little hammering straight away. It's hammering. Inside edge and 4. LB4. Has pressure. Choka ho gaya. But they're looking after. That's a great shot. Making room. Just over extra cover and mid-off area. He's clearing that front leg again and making room and making space for the shot. That's a great shot for looking. 26 is the total 4 ball. That's again. This time it's twisted. There's no one there. It's pressure. Pressure of that. 28 is the total with 1 ball to come. Certainly finding their overs. But they're looking after 21 of 5 balls. That's a great shot. Fast hand. Certainly somewhere. It's over him. That's 6. 34 for 2 after 27 of the over. Little worry start for Misbah United. 34 is the total after 2 overs. Inside edge. It's coming. Look at that for fitness. It's always coming. It's chance of a runner. It's a good moment. That's a moment. It's make it. He certainly make it. 1 ball of the 3rd over. That's a good ball. That will certainly help Misbah United stop them hitting those boundaries and sixes. 3 over 2 balls 36. Oh, it's a good shot. First time he's getting that all right. He's just toe end of the bat and getting the 6. 42 is the total. That's a slow ball. Hammered. That's over and 6 more. Seems to be they desperately wanted to bat it first. There's no doubt about them, folks. 2 major balls come. That's a good shot. That's a great shot. It's over. I think it's over now. Just 1 ball coming. 1 more ball to come. 54 is the total 3rd over. Last ball remaining. That's a good ball to finish. 54 runs is the total after 3. They're nearly there. अब 15 चाहिए 2 में आपको. 54 हो गया. That's a good ball. Really certainly helps Misbah United need one of those. Much more of those deliveries. 11. That's another good ball. No doubt about them, folks. 10 balls, 15 needed. Shot. Great looking shot. Great looking shot for 4. Frustration for the bowler. Nearly there. They're nearly there. 9 balls, 11 needed to done and dust it. That's a good shot again. There's a man back. There's a man back at 4. That's pressure. That's pressure at 4. That's pressure of fielding. He done everything, the bowler. Should have been rewarded to saving that. 7 needed on 8 balls. Straight down the ground and nobody there for 4. It's a huge shot. Certainly destroy him. Just 3 needed to get them over the line. 7 balls, 3 needed. Have best first as a pressure ball. Touch हुई है. 3 needed. They got spin in place, and the mistake were done by the experienced player. 5 balls, 3 needed. Gotta make those runs after batting so well in last 4 overs. That's quick hand. That should be the good save. Rahil has no. 2 needed on 4 balls. 2 needed on 4 balls. Only one hit. Only one hit will certainly do it for them. 1 good hit. 2 needed on 4. Just 1 big hit required. That's a good ball. 3 balls, 2 needed. Pressure of that match. 3 balls, 2 needed. We got another tight game here. A thriller. First game. 3 balls, 2 needed. That's a good shot. Finding the moment. That's a good moment in the game. It's a great catch. 2 balls, 2 needed. New batter has to face 2 balls, 2 needed. Who would have thought that is gonna happen? It's a great catch into the outfield. 2 balls, 2 needed. 2 needed on 2 balls. New batter has to face the music. 2 पे 2 चाहिए. Just getting the bat and just little tap and getting the bat on the ball required here to run a duster for them. What is thinking? What is behawking the non-striker? 2 balls, 2 needed. 2 balls, 2 needed. Everybody stops and watching that tight encounter. 2 balls, 2 needed to win the game. That's outside out. That's inside out. That should be the game. That's a famous victory. That's a great victory. When put in the bat by themselves, the Misbah United tasted another defeat on very last ball remaining with 1 ball to spare. That means they will come and bat first again as a reward of that victory. Congratulations to all of them.